Hey posse, what's going on? Hope everyone's having a good old day. So today I decided to make some, I know it's unusual, but I thought it would be a good idea. This is some seaweed pizza. Jeez. Oh shoot. Anyhow, check it out. So it's on thin crust. Okay, so I thought I'd come and shoot a little snack. Here we go. Let me taste it first. Make sure it's okay before I offer it to you guys. It's good. It's actually good. Kind of fishy. It's good. Oh yeah. Oh, that was good. Okay. Trust me, it's good. Take a bite. Nice and crispy. I was gonna add some hot sauce. I'm like, let me give it a taste first. Maybe next time I'll incorporate the hot sauce. But I did add ranch in here. That pizza was good. So the topping for that pizza, I try to make it very simple and related to seaweed. I didn't want to add anything other than seaweed. So that's the reason why it was just all plain seaweed. Of course, there's cheese, marinara, and seaweed, and ranch. That's it. All right, you guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and don't forget to click on that bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you soon. All right? Olfato way. Excuse me. Bye. You can go now. Go.